mga sis Mars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, unboxing naman tayo ng isang Android phone. As you can see right here, ayan, andito ang ating Tecno Go Spark 1S. So this Android phone is MediaTek G50 dual speaker. Meron siyang dual speaker IP54. And this one is 6 GB of RAM. So ang talagang RAM niya is 3 GB, but since uso na ngayon yung may extended RAM, so meron siyang additional 3 GB extended of RAM, so total of 6 GB of RAM. And then we have here 64 GB of ROM. So here is the box. As you can see, titanium gold yung ating printer case. Okay, so let's open the box. Open na natin yung box. Alright. So, first, pag open mo, makikita mo na kagad si Android phone as you can see. But later na natin yun i-check. Let's see first ano yung nasa loob ng box. Oops. Malabas yung phone. Gusto niya na kagad magpakita. So, we have here, of course, silicone case. So, we have silicone case in here. As you can see, ayan, we have a silicone case. Okay, let's try that later on. And then we have here manual, Tecno manual. We also have warranty card. Ayan. 12 plus 1, so total of 13 months of warranty from Tecno. We also have here pin ejector or pin eject tool. Nakakapanibago kasi usually nakadikit yung mga pin ejector somewhere dito, 'di ba? So this one, ayan. Siya. And then we also have here a charger. So this is ilang watts to? 10 watts of charger. We have 10 watts and then this is the cord. So yan ang ating charger. So let's proceed na checking the cellphone. So tabi muna natin itong box. Let me just put it back. Yung lahat ng tinanggal natin. Kinuha ko lang itong ating clear case. Kasi later on, nalagay natin to. Oops, sorry. Alright. So, let's proceed na dito sa ating unit. So, we have here Tecno Go 1S. 90Hz refresh rate. Ayan ang kanyang screen size. This is a quick specification from this Android phone. So, we have here 6.67 inches display. Meron siyang 5,000 mAh battery capacity. 15 watts fast charging. Hold on. Let me just go ahead and check again the charger. Wait lang. 15 watts nakalagay. But this one nakalagay kasi dito is 15 watts pala to. Okay. Infrared remote control. Let's try later on, or let's check that one. So we also have dual speaker. So full size BTS. And then 13 megapixel main camera. So that is our quick specification with this Go 1S. So let's check this phone already. So as you can see right here, meron tayo naka pre-install na screen protector. Ayan. Hindi nyo lang siguro siya napapans na pero ayan nakikita nyo yan. Meron siya dyan. Para syempre, of course, maprotektahan natin yung screen. Meron tayong top notch dito na camera. There you go. So, let's see first the side detail. So, we have here SIM tray. Ayan, of course. Sa bottom part, we have here the headphone jack, microphone, Type-C charger, the speaker, one speaker here. And then, we have here the power button and then the volume button. Let's see later on if naka-fingerprint ba to. Ayan. And then, ito yung pangalawa niyang speaker. So, yan ang dual speaker niya. So, let's check the... Yes, that is the Tecno Spark 1S camera. Ayan, camera module. As you can see, wait lang. Ang pinurchase natin is titanium gold. Pero, if you're going to purchase this, pag makikita nyo siya, it's not actually gold. Para siyang, I don't know, it's look like silver. Natural titanium, parang mga ganon sa mga iPhone. This is, ano, I'm not sure. Basta, again, pag nabinili nyo siya, hindi siya cold talaga. So, we have here, ito yung ating texture pagdating sa kanyang back details. As you can see, sobrang pino na may parang shining, shimmering. And then, if you're going to tilt, the phone, of course, meron siyang some effect. Ayan. But look at that camera module. As you can see, oh my God, it's look like 13. Or, yeah, iPhone 13 yung camera niya. Para siyang iPhone 13. Okay. So, here is the Tecno Go 1S. So, set up lang natin to saglit. Alright, so meron siya nakalagay dun, hello. Oh, para siyang may pa-dynamic island, ah. Alright, so naka-turn on na at ito na ang ating home screen. Let's try. Okay, smooth naman siya so far. Please bear with my, natatakot kasi ako ano, baka maano ko siya ng kuko ko. Ayan. So, let's quick check the settings, of course. So, ayan. Sa password and security, of course. Ayan. May tayong fingerprint. Ayan. So, dito yung fingerprint niya. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, let's try to check the system, of course. Alright. Storage. So, yan ang ating storage. As you can see. Okay. Alright. So, that is Tecno 1S settings. Ayan yung ating phone. So far, yan lang yung ating unboxing with this Tecno Spark Go 1S. So, stay tuned lang kayo mga sis-Mars kasi gagawa tayo ng full review with this phone, okay? So, alright. So, thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, a.stories. See you, that's ating next, the full review. Bye.